Hello traders. In this video, we are going to explore the Elliott Wave's contracting triangle pattern and how to identify this corrective structure on your charts. So how does it appear and what does it imply? To explain, I'm going to load up an image so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so there we have it. A contracting triangle in Elliott Wave theory is a corrective pattern characterized by 5 overlapping waves labeled A through E. The pattern forms between two converging trend lines, with each successive wave making a lower high and higher low. This creates a narrowing range that typically resolves with a breakout in the direction of the larger trend, as you can see over here. The pattern often appears in wave 4 positions or as part of complex corrections. The key elements to study include the labeling of the 5 subwaves, the angle and convergence of the boundary lines, and the volume behavior within the pattern, which often decreases as the triangle contracts. Alright, so that's that. So who is this for? The concept is most relevant for traders studying Elliott Wave theory and pattern recognition. It serves as an analytical and educational framework only and does not provide automated trade signals. Triangle patterns can be subjective to identify, and the expected breakout direction is not guaranteed, so always apply proper risk management. That's going to wrap up today's video. If you'd like to download this resource or learn more about it, I've left the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future content. I'll see you in the next video.